Now we are going to learn exercise number 12.2. First question is here. Determine the following are in proportion. So first example, 15, 45, 40 and 120. Moving on here, find whether they are in proportion or not in proportion. So first ratio you can take here 15 by 45 and second ratio is 40 by 120. And we want here find whether they are in proportion or they are not in proportion. Now see these both numbers in which table? 5 number table. Okay, so you can solve this. 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45 is equal to. This is also in 5 number table, or you can cancel it, which remain here 4 by 12. Now use the simplest form 3 by 9 and 4 by 12. If both places are coming same, then it is called they are in proportion, otherwise they are not in proportion. Now in this table both numbers in third number table divided by 3 and these two numbers in fourth number table. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9 is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now both places are same, so what is answer? 1:2, 1:3 is equal to 1:3. So what we can say? They are in proportion. Okay, remaining example, same way you can solve. Question number second, write true or false against each of the following statements. So same way they have given here, you want to find the true and false. One example I will take here. 16 is to 24. This is the sign of proportion. Means they have told here 16 is to 24 in proportion 20 by 30. 20 is to 30. Now find the answer. If both sides RHS equal to LHS came equal, then it is called they are in proportion, otherwise they are not in proportion. If came both are equal, then we can say true. If both are came different, so we can say they are false. Now find 24 is equal to, yes, 25, 30. 0 0 cancel here. In which table both numbers? In fourth number table. 4 4s are 16, 4 6s are 24. Where which remain 2 by 3. In which table both numbers? In second number table. Divided by 3, divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So both sides are same. Means what we can say? They are in proportion. Means this example is true. Say first number example is true. Now remaining example you can solve. Now see the example number 3. Example number 4. You write down the answer. What is the question? Are the following statements are true? In second number question you have learned find the true or false. Here also you want to find the true or false. First number example is here 40 persons is to 200 person is equal to rupees 15 is to 75 rupees. If both is same, then it is true. If both are different, then it is false. Now how many persons here? 40 persons by 200 persons is equal to 15 rupees by 75 rupees. Now solve this 0 cancel, which remains here 4 by 20 is equal to 15 by 75. Now see unit table both numbers divided by 4 divided by 4. Here divided by 15 divided by 15. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20 is equal to 15 ones are 15. Now you know the 15 number table. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75. So what we can say? Both numbers are same. So this statement is true. Now remaining example you can do in home. Now see the question number 4. Question number 4. Determine the following ratios from proportion. Also, middle terms and extreme terms, their ratios are form of proportion. Now see here, first example they are given 50 centimeter is to 1 meter is and secondary is 40 rupees is to 160 rupees. Now for this, now here both we want both units are same. So first you can make the both units same. So we know that 1 meter, we know that what we know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Now we want to find the first ratio 25 centimeter to 100 centimeter and second 40 rupees to 160 rupees. Now find the answer. 25 by 100 is equal to 40 by 160 rupees. Now see, in which table both numbers? In 25 number table. Solve directly. We want here tables. Yes, if you don't know the tables, you can't give the simplest form. So you can find also tables. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. Here 0, 0 cancel, which remain here 4 by 16. So when you table both numbers in fourth number tables, here which answer 1 is to 4 is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So both places are same. So what we can say? They are in proportion. Yes. Now another one thing we want here write the middle term and extreme term. So yesterday I have already told you middle terms is coming second and third number. Means middle term is equal to 1 meter and 40 rupees and second is extreme term is equal to first number and last number. First number 25 centimeter and last number 160 rupees. This is the answer of question number 4. Remaining example you can do same. If you have any problem, so you can ask me. Thank you.